this. You feel me? I don't take no rubbish. I respect my fans. I don't know moving like this, alright? I'm gonna reschedule this show. You have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you.
Hello legends, so welcome to my channel. So my people, today I want to share with you guys the interesting moment Nigerian popular music superstar Rema stormed the stage at Atlanta. Actually, this show was suspended along the line as Rema complained of a terrible heat and the poor sound system. As you can see there, yes, Rema complained as the show was going on, and he dropped the mic instantly and left the stage. Honestly speaking, when the clip here, fans were surprised, although he assured fans that this show will be rescheduled in Atlanta anytime soon. Just watch the clip here when he started the show and when the whole sort of thing, the drama or take kicked off, when he suspended the show around the line after performing just 2 songs. What the clip here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, drop your comments at the comment section, and like this video. Thanks.
This show, you have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you. I'm gonna reschedule this show. You have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you. You don't move like this. Afrobeat is way too big to move like this. You feel me? I don't take no rubbish. I respect my fans. I don't know moving like this, alright? I'm gonna reschedule this show. You have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you. Afrobeat is way too big to move like this. You feel me? I don't take no rubbish. I respect my fans. I don't move like this, alright? I'm gonna reschedule this show. You have disrespected me and disrespected Afrobeat by treating you guys like this. I'm out. I love you.
I believe you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, you are a legend. Thank you, you are a legend.